Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Meghalaya government to implement ADB-funded tourism project worth more than rupees 400 crores in the state. Assam-Meghalaya second phase interstate boundary talks hangs fire. Response from Assam counterpart pending. Meghalaya government to make Kindailat stretch hawkers free by November end. 200 registered hawkers will be relocated. And now for the news in detail. Tourism project worth more than rupees 400 crore will now be implemented in the state with the funding from ADB and state plan. Informing this, Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh said that he took a review of the infrastructural projects being taken up under the Tourism Department. He said that the state government is also in the process of introducing tourism buddies where trained youths will be deployed in major tourist destinations of the state. It was also informed that the work on the Shillong Ropeway project would start by mid-November.
We are shortly coming up with a scheme called the Tourism Buddy Scheme Deployment, where we will deploy youths who will be given short duration training. Review of the Shillong Ropeway project. Things are on track, and by mid-November, work will start on the ground.
Cabinet Minister Paul Lyngdoh, who is also the chairman of the West Khasi Hills Regional Board Committee today, said that there is no response from the Assam side on the matter pertaining to settling the Assam-Meghalaya boundary dispute. He said that he had asked the DC of West Khasi Hills to speak to Kamrup DC and they are yet to receive any favourable response till now. According to him, the final report will be submitted only after the visit of the regional committee to these affected areas.
I've made efforts to contact our counterparts in Assam. I have also asked the DC, for instance, of Nongstoin, West Khasi Hills, to speak to the DC of Kamrup. So far, we have not been able to receive any favorable response. See, we will be able to submit the final report only after the visit to the affected areas takes place. We have indicated winter of 2024, so we're still awaiting that response from the government of Assam.
Meghalaya government intends to make Kindailat stretch hawkers free by the end of November. Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh today said that more than 200 registered hawkers will be relocated. Recently, he was given a presentation by the Urban Affairs Department on the place of action and the efforts to relocate around 200 hawkers in MTC and Muda building, and he also stressed on the need for the vendors to respect the equal rights of all the users of public space, including transporters, drivers and pedestrians.
The problem that the city is faced with, and which the Department of Urban Affairs is trying to address, is that there should be equal respect for the rights of all users of public space. And users of public space include transporters, drivers, pedestrians, and these vendors therefore should not in any way impinge upon the rights of motorists and pedestrians.
Donor Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia will inaugurate the two-day Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival, which will begin in November 15th. Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh informed that the state government is awaiting a confirmation from Japan government on which dignitary will attend the festival. On November 18th and 19th, there will be a lit festival, and it will be attended by renowned writers like Vikram Seth, Shobha De, and others.
Festival will be inaugurated on the 15th of November by the donor minister, Mr. Jyotiraditya Scindia, on the 15th of November, in the presence of both the Chief Minister and myself. We are also waiting confirmation from the government of Japan as to which dignitary will attend the festival. The 18th and 19th, we will also have the Lit Fest, where renowned writers like Vikram Seth, Shobha De, Kanpam Nongkandri, and we are also expecting William Dal Trimble to be part of the fest.
Amid rising prices of essential commodities in Meghalaya, Food and Civil Supplies Minister Kamingwon Imban convened a meeting of the State Price Monitoring System on Wednesday. Addressing the media, he mentioned plans to brief Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, who will soon call an interdepartmental meeting to address the issue. Currently, the price monitoring system tracks 38 commodities, including certain vegetables, capturing daily data to help district take timely actions based on this information.
Today we decide in the meeting, we'll ask the Honorable Chief Minister to call all the related departments regarding that. Home Department, Agriculture, Food and Civil Supply, so forth and so on. Then after the same, we will discuss, because this is affect not only the food and civil supply, every department who link with this market.
A launch event for the special summary revision of photo electoral rolls was held in East Khasi Hills district. ADC Ronnie Walang highlighted the importance of registering citizens turning 18 by January 1st, 2024. Citizens can file claims or objections until November 28th, 2024. Special camps will be organized on select dates for public outreach, with final electoral rolls published on January 6, 2025. The Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council inaugurated the Jaintia Dorbar Hall in Jowai, led by Chief Executive Member Thombor Shiwat. Funded by the central government's finance scheme, the hall aims to support the needs of local stakeholders. Shiwat emphasized the importance of collaboration across political parties to ensure effective utilization of the new facility.
Henry ini warong ile mangkali ile dia kami Henry dapat perhat ikam kasih komiti lada manhagawan gadul le hakwai lagi mak lada muai ka yo la say wagani ke building le boy dah pra le dah teror le dah piak dah je clear dah mango kam kawi.
The Trailblazers program, part of the Yuva Bhagidari initiative, awarded prizes for posters and slogan competitions at St. Anthony's College. Nakita Tori M. Karsanteo and Lahun Karim won first prize in their respective categories. Brigadier V. Yayant Mahadik from NCC headquarters Shillong attended the event, which celebrated the creative contributions of the students. Akash Avani Shillong and Mingken Christian Higher Secondary School hosted a seminar on sustainable development and youth. Experts covered various sustainable practices and engaged students through presentations and quizzes. The event aimed to raise awareness about the role of youth in promoting sustainable development. Anderson Higher Secondary School celebrated Parents' Day with students' performances, delighting parents and guests. Chief guest Mr. Gabriel Walang praised the school education contributions and announced support for its future endeavors. A commemorative stone was unveiled honoring the school's founder alongside the inauguration of a new exhibition room.
Chapter 41, verse 10. So, do not fear.
Ông đi kinh nào xuống đang nghe bài là đi nghehala đi và nghe không lấy và khi đó đi qua thì nó đi chạy thì mình nhớ rằng bằng thế thì thì sẽ đi bằng bài và bằng không sang cái này chính nghe không lấy mau lấy mà khai đi vào lò bụi tu làm la cái vấn đề và plan cái chúng và ông qua đi mình phê lại cái vấn đề ông qua cái gì mình kêu hay là sống sát tăng hành đi qua mình kêu cái chúng di baterai sudah berjalan na pintu berjalan. Di baterai itu bagi bom tip dia kantor beruang tinggal ada sini.
The Wheelchair Basketball Federation of India organized a 3-day basketball event in Shillong, promoting inclusivity and physical well-being for individuals with disability. WBFI President Varun Lawat called for government support for wheelchair basketball, while local players expressed gratitude for the opportunity to participate in such empowering initiatives.
Manipur is the only state, the government body is supporting them. Meghalaya we tried earlier also, but still we are looking for support. The support of government is must. Even the RPD Act, they are bound to it, and still we are still looking them why they are not giving them opportunities. It is a fundamental rights to get the assistive technology such as wheelchairs, that if you have an indoor basketball court, they should be having a wheelchair, but because of federation also we are working for it, so we gave them through ICRC we donated them 12 wheelchairs and 24 to Manipur and Assam region.
The Seng Samla Mauranglang Laikentut, the Mauranglang Laikentut Sports Club and the Hinyotrap Territorial Organization Mauranglang Zone honored welcome star arm wrestler Jimison Marwin at Maukarwat. Jimison won gold medal in the left-hand category and silver medal in the right-hand category in the Junior Boys 70 kg category at the 8th Asian Arm Wrestling Cup 2024 held at the Aurika Hotel in Mumbai recently. And now for the weather report. Minimum temperature 14.2 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 23.4 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 78% and in the evening 63%. Forecast, light to moderate rain is likely to occur at a few places. And now for the headlines once again. Meghalaya government to implement ADB-funded tourism project worth more than Rs 400 crore in the state. Assam-Meghalaya second phase interstate boundary talks hangs fire, response from Assam counterpart pending. And Meghalaya government to make Kindailat stretch hawkers free by November end. 200 registered hawkers will be relocated. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.